If your cultural attire it makes sense. Just look at the neck. It's so full and rich. Hmm. Let's not even talk about the attire, like the judge. The, I don't even need touch ham. It just makes sense. It just fine. And they know how to carry themselves. One more. You they see the gele. I see another one. Oh. This one, their judge too, just makes sense. The style, the dance. You dey feel the dance? The husband sabi, to sabi, come on. Like they understand culture. They know what culture means. Can you see? Look at the waist. Oh God. And another one is here. Yeah, I don't even know who. I don't even know who sabi dance pass. Other than the wife or I bet the husband, I don't even know. They don't want to show their dance. Or maybe they see whether they go do dance. The husband they even try. Wife dance now. Dance now. Who vex you? And another one. So now here this one tear. This one tear. The wife no hungry. See, correct. But come on, Urhobo people sabi dance. I love their culture.